how to cultivate good habits and how to destroy bad habits. Hi, I am Chirag Bavadia, a spiritual practitioner, lifestyle educator and mentor at Soul Sparks. We keep on doing some kind of nonsensical things that we know that we should not do it, but still we continue to do it. Any person who is addicted to alcohol, cigarette, gambling, etc., he knows that he is doing something wrong. When he is absolutely addicted to it, he will regret for the day when he started all these things. Now, if he wants to leave that, how will he do it? So Bhagavad Gita discusses in detail about how to cultivate good habits and how to destroy all bad habits. Bhagavad Gita is a book not on information, but it is a book for transformation. If you want information, then go and type something on Google, and if you want transformation, then go through the pages of Bhagavad Gita. In Bhagavad Gita, 3rd chapter, verse number 36, Arjuna is asking question to Krishna. My dear Lord, why do we have these nonsensical habits? Even if I don't want to do, still I get involved in such bad habits, involved in wrong misdeeds, wrong activities. What kind of force is there which motivates me to do such wrong things? So here, Arjuna wanted to know that how to change bad habits. So Krishna answered, Tasmat tvam indriyani ado niyamya bharata rishabh papamanam prajahi enam jnana vijnana nasanam. The understanding of the above verse is, if you control on the association you have, like say the books you read, the movies or videos you watch, the friends you keep, or whatever the association you are surrounded by, you will be able to change your bad habits. We all have got 5 senses, namely eye, nose, tongue, sense of touch, ear. These are input devices of our body. So we should control all these 5 senses and regulate them in the beginning for changing our bad habits. We need to check at the entry gates and don't allow wrong persons, desires, thoughts or the association to get into in our lives. If you do not control all 5 senses, then the negativities around you will uproot all your knowledge and wisdom, and you will end up doing unwanted and wrong things. So there are some principles like garbage in, garbage out, positivity in, positivity out, negativity in, negativity out. So whatever food you will give to your mind will surely omit it. So you have to be very careful that what kind of food you give to your mind. If you can control the association you are living in, then you can control your future automatically by developing some good habits. Focus on your thoughts, because your thoughts will become words one day, and words will be converted into your actions, and actions form habit, and habit will form character, and character will create your destiny. So these thoughts come from our association. So this is power of habit. Your habit can change your destiny.